Hello guys, and welcome back. I'm back from my 2-week vacation, and in this video I want to talk about McDonald's. So in this video I'll be talking about why I'm bullish on McDonald's, why I bought in a month out calls, and I also want to talk about the SPY, so the overall market, and I'll be comparing the McDonald's play to a play we had on CrowdStrike. It had a very similar setup. So overall, if you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe and make sure to leave a like. So let's start off with the SPY first. The SPY is at a very interesting level. The market has been falling, very roughly for the past couple months, but we have hit the previous low level. So we are at a very nice level of support. And if I zoom in a little bit over here, the close we had looked very bullish. So we could see that price hit all the way down and it actually bounced off. So we have a very nice candlestick. You can see that this candlestick looks very nice and very strong. I really like the wick. And then we also have multiple gaps to the upside, so the probability of us bouncing here is a lot higher than us actually breaking down. So at least some sort of a relief rally before we have more room potentially to the downside. I also want to take a look at the RSI, because the RSI is also at a very nice level. So again, the RSI indicator tells us if something is overbought or oversold, and we are at that oversold territory. So the SPY looks bullish off the support, and then we have the RSI, which also looks bullish. And the overall probability, the past weeks we have been dropping, we have been plummeting, and the chances of us bouncing and getting some sort of a bounce and a relief rally is a lot higher than us breaking to the downside. Now let's take a look at McDonald's. Okay, let's talk about McDonald's. So overall for McDonald's, we have a very nice uptrend channel. Okay, so we could see that overall we are in a uptrend for McDonald's, and we could see that we have a nice level of support. So we played calls off of this level of support, and we played calls because this is a buy level. Now I want to take a look at many things for McDonald's. I want to take a look at volume for McDonald's. Volume is a very nice indicator that tells us the trading activity. So how many people are buying and selling in that instance. So we can see that whenever we hit the support, we had a massive buying for McDonald's. We could see based off the chart, we used to get some very nice volume pops. Even here we had a massive volume spike when we hit this level of support, but right now we do not have that spike. So volume is one thing that I'm watching going into Monday and going into the coming week. I want to see some high buying pressure on the volume. So that is it with the volume. Let's take a look at the RSI. RSI is just decent, approaching that sold level. But now let's take a look at our price target, and let's take a look at our stop loss. So this was our entry. Okay, so this is right our entry. Our stop loss is right below this, so 244. Again, the key thing is that we have our stop loss on the daily time frame. So once we close below on the daily time frame. I want to take a look at CrowdStrike. So this is a very nice example that I want to give you guys. Okay, until we close below this level of support is when we sell off our position, because that tells us that we have broken that trend. So I'm taking a look at McDonald's, and again 5 minutes close. If we below this level of support, it does not look good, and that is going to be our stop loss. Now I want to go back to the volume. So a lot of people are watching McDonald's. We could see that this is a massive uptrend. Anyone who bought in over here must have the stop loss below this area. So this is going to be a massive trigger. Okay, keep in mind that everyone who bought over here, is watching this level of support, because this is the trend. This is the overall trend for McDonald's. So this is a major level of support that I am watching. Now, what is going to be our price target? So I'm taking a look at McDonald's right over here, and I could draw out a couple of price targets coming in for McDonald's. So I'm just taking a look at kind of like the next level of resistance. So my first one, 250, so around 250. That is also a very nice mental price target. And then we have 252. But overall, if the market just gets a relief rally, I'm out. I just want to play kind of like the relief rally bounce on the market. But overall, that is it with McDonald's. Okay, very simple video on McDonald's. Again, nothing crazy. We're not riding it to like all-time highs. I just want to play a small bounce on the market. I'm bullish on SPY. McDonald's also looks bullish, so I want to play the small bounce on the market. This is going to be a short-term trade, holding on for a couple of days, and that is it. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later. Again, this is kind of like a self-improvement channel for trading. No other YouTuber really does this, and you guys can see the results yourself. The oil stocks play we had, Meta stock, you could just see the history of my plays and the channels just off my YouTube channel. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later. Bye bye.